making pad thai. Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 3 of our 5-part series here in Thailand. And we're back with Chef Pak at the Sukho Cuisine Thai Cooking School. In episode 1, we explored a local Thai market, got all of our ingredients for this week's recipes. Episode 2, we did some fresh spring rolls. And today, we're going to teach you how to make a traditional pad thai. All the ingredients for today's recipes are in the description down below.
Garlic, shallot, and tofu, radish, pickled radish, okay. And chives, and chicken and peanut and cooking oil.
This is the palm
sugar and perfect, okay.
Fish sauce, tamarind, and palm sugar are the base of so many great Thai sauces. This is what you want to have when you're going to make anything. Let's go ahead and add all 3 ingredients into a pot and let's bring it up to a medium heat until all the sugar is actually dissolved inside together. Now that the sauce is reducing, let's go ahead and prepare our bean sprouts. We want to remove the little brown bits, little tails of the bean sprouts so that the whole bean sprout is actually nice and firm. You don't want any kind of soggy bits in it.
This separate. And this part cut 1 inch. This is raw.
As Chef Pak said, we're going to go ahead and cut our chives into about 1-inch pieces. And we're going to leave the stem, a little piece of root, for decoration.
This side, not too big, not too small. On top chicken because cook same time.
Now let's prepare the tofu. Nothing fancy here, let's just go ahead and cut them into even little cubes. Next up is our pickled radish. All we want to do is finely chop this and have it ready for the cooking process. Don't forget that our sauce is probably done by now. After crushing the garlic, we want to combine the garlic and shallots and chop them nice and small together. So keep an eye on it and make sure that the heat is nice and low. Time to drop in our noodles now. We're slowly going to add a little bit of water at a time just to rehydrate the noodles. You want to pat down the noodles so that it's nice and evenly cooked. And once it's all done, we're going to actually slide over the noodles and move it to one side of the guac so that we can go ahead and cook the other ingredients. Go ahead and add a tablespoon of oil, then our pickled radish and tofu, and chicken. We want to stir our chicken and make sure that all the sides are evenly cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, we're going to go ahead and add in our tamarind, fish sauce, palm sugar kind of mixture and mix it all in together. Crack open an egg and let it run on the other side of the pan. That way the egg white and yolk cook evenly together. We don't want to fully scramble the eggs, and you want to have the 2 colors be well presented in the dish. Lastly, let's add in our garnishes. We're going to add our chopped peanuts, bean sprouts, and chives. Give it a quick stir, and then it's time to plate this. And voila, you now have a traditional pad thai. I hope you give this a try at home and enjoy with your families. Make sure to stay tuned for the next episode, episode 4, where Chef Pak and I teach you how to make a Panang curry, one of my favorite curry dishes here in Thailand, and it is going to be so good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button as it would greatly help us out on our YouTube algorithm. If you want to continue to follow our culinary adventure, please subscribe to the channel as we're going to be posting videos on here weekly. And as always, dish it all out in the comments as we really want to hear from you. Let us know what recipes you'd like us to cover and what you need help with in the kitchen. So, see you on the next one.